Greetings, brothers and sisters. In this video, I'll show you how to cook fresh lumpia with ground peanut as an additional flavor for my recipe. But before we dive into our cooking tutorial, I kindly request you to watch my video from start to end. Your support means the world to me. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and leave a comment down below. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you. Let's start. Sauté garlic and onion. Add Knorr shrimp cube. Chopped baguio beans. Julienne strip sweet potato. Julienne strip carrots. Toss. Julienne strip chayote. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes. Thinly sliced cabbage. Add ground peppercorn. Add 2 tablespoons fish sauce. It's done. Transfer to a bowl and let it cool. Spread the wrapper on a tray. Place the lettuce leaf in the middle. Fill the wrapper with 2 tablespoons of ingredients. Fold the bottom end and right side. Twist a little bit. To roll it up carefully and seal end with mixed cornstarch and water. Wrap the next lumpia. This is what I wrapped. Around 19 pieces fresh lumpia. Pour the sauce. I didn't show you how I made it. About 2 liters of water. Then dissolved 6 tablespoons cornstarch. With 3/4 cup water. Stir and melt. Put 1 cup brown sugar and 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 1/2 Knorr cube. And that's it. Top it with ground peanuts. The finished product of fresh lumpia.